Hey guys, so today we are going to be using our mini portable washing machine, and this is how it looks folded down. It's really compact, and I just have a few rags that I'm going to put in here to wash. So yeah, come on. Now you have it like this, and you can just put your clothes in there like this, or you can use the basket. It does come with a basket. I typically don't use the basket because I just put my clothes in there. So I just wanted to show you guys that it did come with the basket inside. And so what we're gonna do now is get our rags together and fill it with water. Okay, so I do have my water in here, and y'all please make sure to make sure that your plug is plugged up so that you won't lose your water. So I'm just gonna add these couple of rags that I've been cleaning and dusting with in here. And I'm gonna just drop some more of my makeup rags, and I've been dusting with that. That's my dust rag. So yeah. Washing powder. Close it. So I did 15 minutes and it's washing. All right, and it's about midway through, and as you can see, it has like a lot of bubbles, and it does actually wash and things like that. And so what I'm gonna do here is, because it's almost finished, I'm gonna just change the settings, and we're gonna go to semi-hydration, and I'm gonna finish off with that. And so now we have it on 2 minutes, and after I get through, I'm just gonna put these rags in the dryer, and we're done.
Thought I need clarity. They ain't got empathy from me, they staring. They used my couch when they needed the therapy. So what they needed, but never took care of me. They start dollar signs, treat me like currency. Kill all they hopes and dreams if they won't murder me. Sunshine on me, sunshine on me. I just let the sunshine on me. Sunshine on me. I just let the sunshine on me. Sunshine on me. I just let the sunshine on me. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, pray if they run up, I'ma cut up, bring